Okay. Skip mo na yung video na to kasi hindi ka naman civil engineer, hindi ka naman civil engineering student, hindi ka naman nag-aaral ng structural analysis or structural engineering. Okay, so kasi sila lang yung makakaintindi nito at magbe-benefit dito sa video until the end. Okay, so let's talk about live loads. So there are two definitions that we got for live loads. So yung una, yung any other load that's not a dead load. So kahit anong load daw na hindi dead load sa structure natin is a live load. So kung tutusin pala, yung environmental loads kasama din sa live load yan. Okay? Kaso magkaiba kasi sila ng probability of occurrence. Kaya as of the moment, yung code, ang sinusunod natin na meaning ni live load is itong pangalawa, which is a varying magnitude and or position due to the use of the structure. So it's a load that has a varying magnitude and or position due to the use of the structure. So nag-iiba-iba siya ng maaaring magbago yung ano niya, yung load niya. Okay, and especially position. Okay, so the way that we design our member when we are applying live loads is that we place the live load onto the most critical position. Okay, I mean, yung iba-ibang members kasi is nagre-reach sila ng maximum stress uh, with different positions kung saan ina-apply yung live loads. Okay, so for example na lang yung bridges natin, ano. So, yung mga track loads na dinidesign natin for the bridges, syempre nilalagay yan onto the positions na magbibigay ng maximum stress dun sa bridge para ma-design mo yung structure mo for the worst case scenario. Okay, so yun yung live loads. So ito talaga yan. Okay, so any other load sana yan, dead, basta hindi dead load. Kaso ayun nga, meron kasing difference in the probability of occurrence nung live load saka ng environmental loads. So hindi na natin sinama yung environmental loads as of the moment, pero originally ito yung meaning ni live loads. So parang dalawa lang dati, ngayon hiniwalay muna as of the moment si environmental loads, and we focused on this varying magnitude and or position due to the use of the structure. So those type of loads is what we call live loads. Okay, so ayan.